Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer PayPal to Dana. First, ensure both your PayPal and Dana accounts are fully verified and active. You will navigate through PayPal's withdrawal options, selecting the appropriate method to link your Dana e-wallet. We'll walk through each screen, making the process clear and straightforward, so your funds arrive safely. Before initiating any transfer, confirm both your PayPal and Dana accounts are active and in good standing. Your Dana account specifically needs to be upgraded to Dana Premium to receive funds from external sources like PayPal. This upgrade usually involves verifying your identity with an identification document. Always have access to your registered email and phone number, as these are crucial for two-factor authentication during the process. Once your accounts are ready, log into your PayPal account from a secure browser or the official app. Navigate to the Withdraw Funds or Transfer Money section, typically found on your dashboard. Here, you will select the option to transfer to a bank account or a linked debit card, which Dana acts as. Carefully enter the specific amount you intend to transfer, keeping an eye on any set minimum or maximum limits. To link Dana, you will need its bank transfer details. This often involves using a specific virtual account number provided by Dana or its associated bank name. Input these details meticulously into the PayPal transfer form. Double-check every piece of information, especially the recipient's name and the transfer amount, to prevent errors. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete the request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.